Solid Edge 3D design can unlock your imagination using automation to streamline common tasks, improve performance, and boost productivity. Complex shapes are created even faster with the addition of new enhancements in Solid Edge, as shown here on our espresso machine. The new bridge command effortlessly connects edges or faces of subdivision cages and creates a lofted structure between them. A curve can also be used to help control the overall shape. To further refine the shape of the part and have it match the outward curve of the machine, we'll use the new Align to Curve command. Simply select the cage vertices, define the direction, and pick the curve. During this process, it's possible to manually define a spline curve or even use gestures by clicking and dragging to fluidly adjust the form as required. Split with offset is another option that greatly speeds up the process of adding detail to a face by offsetting it inwards. This allows us to push the resulting faces to create some cutouts for the rubber feet on the machine. Now we'll replace this handle with a new design that has been 3D scanned. This result is a mesh model that we'll import. We can visualize the mesh with the new View Facet Edge command. In this case, we'll clean it up a little by remeshing it. After automatically identifying the regions on the model, we can start sketching directly on the planar surfaces that have been recognized. As we add a series of cutouts in order to reduce weight and improve the appearance of the part, notice the resulting geometry isn't faceted. Solid Edge now seamlessly combines mesh and B-rep geometry in the same body or part. Here, some rounds have been added, so we'll add additional cutouts to reduce the material in this area. Once the cut is complete, it can be patterned. Again, notice the resulting geometry isn't faceted. We're doing all of this on a mesh model without the need to fully reverse engineer it. Back in the assembly, we can swap out the old handle for our new design and see how it looks. We're missing a few mounting holes to finish the part. This can be easily solved by using the geometry of existing components to subtract the material directly from the mesh model. These new capabilities further enhance the ability to use mesh models in the design process. Using the component finder in the Solid Edge Pathfinder, we'll search for the desired filter holder handle, which is designed as a family of assemblies. One version of the design is used for brewing a double espresso shot, and the second version is designed for a single shot. Opening the new drawing of the assembly, we'll use the new Family of Assemblies part list to place a table that details the parts used in each member. Moving on, dimensioning to virtual intersections of arcs or rounded edges has also been improved. We can now choose to display projection lines at the intersection points. Watermarks help convey important information about our drawing. We'll change the existing one so that it retrieves the document status from the drawing's property text. The new CAD Direct command enables the use of foreign parts and assemblies in Solid Edge without requiring any translation. The water boilers being added here were designed in NX. Once inserted into Solid Edge, they can be positioned just like any other assembly. Since we need two of these, we'll simply copy it into place and automatically constrain it. Unfortunately, the boilers don't quite fit our design. They need to sit lower down. Going back to NX to fix the issue, we can make a change to the mounting bracket to make it longer, then save the assembly. Since Solid Edge continually references the NX assembly, a simple update brings in the changes for us. For electrical routing applications, Solid Edge now supports the display of bicolor wires, allowing us to change the display of this grounding wire to a yellow and green stripe. Various pattern types are supported, including single stripe, helical, zebra, and dash. KeyShot, the best-in-class rendering solution, also sees some impressive updates. Decals defined in Solid Edge may be automatically transferred, saving time and effort, which can be seen on the logos of these cups and digital screens. Solid Edge, engineered